Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create hip roof like this. And at the end of this video, you should be able to create a hip roof like this. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So I'm going to delete this one now so that I will show you step by step on how to create your own. The first thing I will do is I will go to first floor, and here I am on the first floor, and I'm going to pick roof on the architecture tab. While you're on the architecture tab, you will see roof here. Then if you click on this drop down, you see other type of roof here. You have roof by footprint, roof by extrusion. The one I'll be using is roof by footprint, and I will be using pick lines. I'm not going to pick walls. I will use pick lines. Then I will set the offset to 600 mm so that the eave overhang will be 600 mm. Then I need to check this define slope so that it is going to slope to all the side. And once all these are taken care of, the next thing is the roof material and the settings. You need to make sure that you have selected the type of roof you want to use. You take note of the thickness. Let me ascertain the thickness. The thickness is 10 mm, which is okay. And let's ascertain the material. This is the material. You can see it actually look like roof. And the pattern is, let me select the pattern I want to use. I'll use this shake 150 mm and click OK. Then this is the color I want to use, brown, which is very much okay. And when I'm done with all these, I'm going to click OK, click OK again, then click OK, click OK. All right, we are set to go. So I am going to be picking the wall edges, and we are going to go around like that, round the perimeter of the first floor, since we want the roof to take the shape of the first floor. And we'll go like that until we finish it. Okay, so I have gone around. The next thing I will do is to join the lines together, and I am going to trim this one first. I'm going to split it to break it. Okay, so I will trim this. I make sure I trim them all around to join them all around. The line should not break. It should be completely looped together. That's the rule. That's the rule of the game. It has to be looped. Okay, I think it's all looped together. And once that is done, I'm going to finish it. And let's look at it in 3D. Okay, so here it is. I am going to go to the one of the elevation. Let's say the approach view. Any of the elevation can work, or section. Any of the section can work. In this case, let's use the elevation, and I'm going to move it. And here is the roof. I've moved it. Okay, so what if I want to change the slope? If I want to change the slope so that it will be a little bit high, I am going to select it and go to the property palette. This is the property palette. You will see slope here, and I am going to change this slope to something like 40 or 42. Let's change it to 42 so that the roof will be a little bit high. Okay, sometimes the higher the roof, the more aesthetic the building is. Okay, so that is our roof. Let's look at it in 3D. Okay, so that is the roof we have there. And the next thing you will want to do is to create your concrete fascia and your roof ridge cap. And in one of my videos, I showed you how to create ridge cap. So make sure you watch that video. And I also showed you how to create concrete fascia. So I'm not going to create concrete fascia now. Make sure you watch that video on how to create concrete fascia. And with that done, this is where we are going to round up the video for today, and see you in the next video. Bye.